Hi, my name's Jack Mead from Jack and the Wolf here in the UK. Today I'm going to be using the CURLUP Perfecting Lotion. I really love this product because it defines my curls and it perfects them without making them feel crunchy. This product can be used on wet or dry hair, but today I'm going to shampoo my hair and use it on wet. This is the finished result. As you can see, it's defined my curls, but still feels really soft to the touch. Now, something that I absolutely love about this product is I like to be able to change my parting and touch my hair throughout the day. Now, with a lot of curl products, you can't do that. But with this product, it's designed to be able to reactivate the curls as you touch it. If you want to see more videos like this, stay tuned as we post new content every week.